here's how to scrape the listings of Airbnb without any coded knowledge. For this, we'll use the Airbnb scraper from nifty.codes. Link will be in the description. Simply just download it for your browser. Next, press on the extension. Then press Extract Listings. As you can see, we extracted the items in this list. To extract more, simply scroll down. Then press Add to Export List. Then head to the next page. Then press Add to Export List again. Do this as many times as you like. Alternatively, you can use the auto function, which will auto-scroll for you and add the data to the list. Once you're done, press Stop. Now, to export this, press Export Data. You can export it in many different ways. I will export it as CSV. After exporting, here is all the data we extracted. You can also customize the data however you want. To do this, go back to the page. Then, scrape your data again. And make sure this pop-up is open. Then press on the extension. And press Customize Fields. In here, you can shape the data however you want. So for example, you can uncheck some data. You can also change the order of the data. And also change the name. Once you're done, press Save. Then press Export. After exporting, here is our new customized data.